Picture this, the boundless energy of the cosmos coalesced into a mere teaspoon. It sounds like a fanciful idea from a sci-fi novella, doesn't it? Yet what if it was indicated that this is not just a product of whimsy? We are on the verge of venturing into the unfathomable world of neutron stars, celestial wonders birthed from the extraordinary final moments of massive stars. These are no ordinary stars. Neutron stars, unlike more well-known celestial bodies, carry an unimaginable density. To put it in perspective, imagine every majestic mountain, every vast ocean, every sprawling metropolis, and every living creature on Earth, all compactly compressed into a sugar cube-sized space. This is the level of density we are attempting to convey. The fascination does not stop there. These celestial remnants have even more remarkable features, such as their gravitational fields. These fields are so incredibly powerful that they bend and warp the very fabric of space and time surrounding them. Consider a tiny particle of neutron star substance, no larger than a grain of sand. Despite its small size, it has a gravitational intensity 1,000,000 times that of Earth. Now, let's try to comprehend the power of a teaspoon of this stardust. A quantity minute, but with an unimaginable magnitude of power. It's a mind-bending concept, isn't it? However, this is not a mere conjecture, it's a reality, constructively established in very laws of physics. So what would happen if we could bring a teaspoon of neutron star matter to our planet? The truth, as you might predict, is far from comforting. The colossal power contained in such a minuscule quantity of neutron star material could trigger an inconceivable disaster. But let's not rush into envisioning such calamities. First, let us explore and understand what a neutron star is and why its composition is so potent and powerful. Fasten your seatbelts, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to embark on a journey into the unknown, exploring this hypothetical scenario. Be prepared to be inspired and engaged as we delve into the mysteries of the cosmos. Neutron stars are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in a supernova. They are incredibly dense, with a teaspoon of their material weighing about 1,000,000,000 tons. Now, let's take a closer look at these celestial bodies. Neutron stars are a marvel of the cosmos, exhibiting properties that are nothing short of extreme. They are the densest objects in the universe, aside from black holes. Imagine the entirety of our sun, a colossal body of gas over 1,000,000 kilometers in diameter, compressed into a sphere with a diameter of merely 20 kilometers. That's the degree of density we're talking about. A sugar cube-sized chunk of a neutron star would weigh as much as a mountain range here on Earth. Then there's the gravitational pull, which is about 2 billion times stronger than the gravity we experience on Earth. To put it into perspective, if you were to drop a marshmallow from a height of 1 meter on a neutron star, it would hit the surface in a microsecond, reaching a speed of about 7 million kilometers per hour. That's faster than you can say neutron star. The nearest neutron star to us, known as Calvera, is a staggering 617 light-years away. That's approximately 3.5 quadrillion miles. Quite a distance, isn't it? The sheer intensity of a neutron star's properties would make transporting its material to Earth nearly impossible, but hypothetically, if we could, what would be the consequences? Well, that's a story of unimaginable destruction, which we'll get into in the next scene, so stay tuned. The moment a spoonful of neutron star material enters the Earth's atmosphere, the consequences would be catastrophic. Imagine a scenario where, against all odds, a mere teaspoon of neutron star material finds its way to our home planet. The intense heat and pressure that characterizes these celestial bodies would vaporize any spacecraft attempting to transport such a perilous cargo. The neutron star material, with its unfathomable density and extreme conditions, would not be kind to our planet. This is not your everyday space dust. This is material from a neutron star, one of the densest known objects in the universe. Its gravitational pull is so immense that the moment it enters the Earth's atmosphere, it would begin to break down into its constituent parts, protons and neutrons. The energy released during this breakdown would be so massive, it would dwarf the combined energy output of every nuclear weapon ever detonated. This isn't just a little sizzle and pop. We're talking about an event so powerful It would light up the night sky like a second sun, scorching everything in its path. The heat generated would be so intense that it would set the atmosphere alight, sparking a global inferno that would reduce everything to ashes. And it doesn't stop there. The gravity of the neutron star material would be so strong that it would literally bend the fabric of space-time around it. This could trigger a series of catastrophic events, such as earthquakes and tsunamis, that would further devastate our planet. The Earth as we know it would be reshaped, reformed, and ultimately ruined. But the destruction would not be limited to just the surface. The neutron star material would keep sinking, burrowing its way through the Earth's crust, mantle, and core until it reaches the other side. The resulting shock waves would tear the planet apart, causing massive geological upheaval and potentially even altering the Earth's rotation. The fallout of such an event would be unimaginable. The Earth's atmosphere would be stripped away, leaving our once blue planet a barren, lifeless rock. Even if life were to somehow survive the initial catastrophe, the lingering radiation and extreme conditions would make survival near impossible. In short, the arrival of a spoonful of neutron star material on Earth would mean the end of our planet as we know it. The Earth's lush green landscapes, its diverse ecosystems and bustling cities, everything we hold dear, would be reduced to cosmic dust. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? But it's also a fascinating insight into the enormous power and destructive potential of the cosmos. The scenario we've just explored highlights the importance of keeping a safe distance from neutron stars. Their immense gravitational fields and extraordinary density make them one of the most dangerous objects in the cosmos to interact with directly. Imagine the Earth as a delicate sphere held in the palm of the universe. Now, consider a neutron star as a cosmic sledgehammer, capable of shattering our planet into a cloud of particles with just a mere touch. This is why distance is our best, and indeed, only defense against these celestial powerhouses. The nearest neutron star, Calvera, is 617 light-years away, a distance so vast it's hard to comprehend. But in astronomical terms, that's just next door. And while the chance of a neutron star coming close to Earth is extremely low, it's not zero. If one were to approach, we would need to consider the unthinkable, escaping our home planet. This isn't about packing up and moving to Mars, though. The gravitational pull of a neutron star is so intense that even at a distance of 1,000,000 miles, it could significantly alter the orbits of the planets in our solar system. We would need to venture far, far away to another star system entirely. But let's not get lost in the darkness here. The vastness of space also serves as our greatest protector. It keeps us safe from the destructive forces of the universe, like neutron stars, while also providing us with a stunning spectacle of cosmic beauty. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the unimaginable power that lies within the cosmos. Appreciate the distance that separates us from these dangers and marvel at the fact that we can observe and learn about these extraordinary objects from the safety of our planet. The cosmos is indeed a place of unimaginable power, but it's also a place of incredible wonder and discovery. The cosmos is full of wonders and dangers alike, and neutron stars certainly fall into the latter category. We've taken a journey today, a journey that has stretched our imaginations to the very limits of the universe itself. We've pondered the unthinkable power of a neutron star, condensed into a single teaspoon. We've explored the catastrophic consequences of such an event, witnessing the immense scale of destruction it would unleash upon our Earth. And we've come to appreciate the importance of distance, of the safety provided by the vast expanse of space separating us from these celestial giants. In understanding and respecting the power of the cosmos, we find ourselves humbled, awestruck, and perhaps even a little fearful. But it's through this understanding that we can truly appreciate the beauty and grandeur of the universe. What are your thoughts on this hypothetical scenario? Feel free to share in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, support our channel by liking this video and subscribing for more intriguing space content. Until next time, keep exploring the universe.